Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kanin and this is
Veronica Fox.
And I just did her makeup a little bit. We gave her a little plastic surgery. This is like a completely different style from what you usually do.
Smaller.
Yeah, it's just
I go more real woman fish.
Alright guys, if you want to see how I transferred Miss Veronica Fox, my local drag queen,
Keep watching.
Okay, we're done. I mean, not done. Oh god, this is awkward.
Why?
I don't know. This is just always so awkward to me, but I'm gonna actually talk in this video, so that's a good thing, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just say WAP a lot in the time.
Okay, well anyways, you do eyebrows first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, there's holes, so it's not gonna be a complete smooth textured. That's fine, whatever. We're gonna make you look like Tana Mojo without the Kinza Cosmetics scandal.
Alright.
And then, can you get the white concealer?
This?
Yeah. Do we want to use this or Kat Von D?
That.
Yeah, we'll use this.
Yeah, my skin's dry.
Yeah, we're not supporting Kat Von D later.
You know how you get dryness of the skin?
Mostly ghostly.
How?
Getting vaccinated.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Can you get the MAC powder over there?
You just had me scoot forward.
Okay, what?
I was like, you
Get
like
it.
pushed me into this, and then you were like, can you grab it? I'm like, okay.
Actually, yeah, I should probably use that one, honestly.
I was like,
That one's darker. This is the one that someone who didn't pay me for wedding makeup gave me, so, well, gave me. No, I was wanting my money and she was like, you keep it. You keep that because I'm not gonna give you the rest of my money.
what?
Yeah, exactly. You're a stupid bitch.
You and
La 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 do 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 do.
Ellen's like,
Ellen's like,
shut up.
shut the fuck. You're never going to
Okay, can you give me the contour out of the fourth drawer underneath that?
to contour my jawline.
No, you don't get a jawline today. If I don't have one, then you don't get one. We're fat sisters here. Fats only.
no bad stuff and no issue.
Sit straight, you fucking bitch. I didn't pay you this much.
Oh yeah, do Aquaria.
Oh my god, I'm gonna totally do this one. Now it's
Screenshot it so
speaking
you
to
don't
me.
lose it. I love it.
Uh,
And it has blonde too, so it'll look good with blonde hair.
hey honey. Come in, come show your face.
Like glowy.
Yeah, you do look glowy. He looks like a fucking bronze bitch though. Here, put this back. Are you actually like impressed?
Yeah. Back's no printer. So cold to the summer to the winter.
I don't pay you this much to be on here. God.
Yeah, I need a booking fee for this.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk payment after this video. I'm the manager. No idea with financial.
You're one of the managers that gets pissed off if someone doesn't let them book me because you have your own personal conflicts.
Yeah, I'm like,
Colin, put your foot, like, I'm right there. So you don't touch my bare feet.
Why are your feet up in my crotch right now?
I have to get close to you or these eyebrows are not gonna look good. Got it? Oh god, Mac, you didn't even do the top brow for me, you fucking selfish bitch.
Oh, she's a good eyebrow shape though.
That is good. Look at her. I think that's all you're gonna get. You're gonna get a Lady Gaga.
look at my sister mapping skills.
God, I just. Ah!
What?
Colin, I'm such a perfectionist. You don't know me.
If it's on the outside, you can just clean it up.
Come fuck this hole, you dirty boy.
Wait, Colin, your head was in the way. Wait.
Okay.
I heard your stomach unsettle itself.
Yeah, I know.
Your stomach went boom. You gotta beat me.
Okay.
What is that? Is that like, what is that little string? Is it on fire?
Every light is like that.
I know, but is it like a
Look,
electricity or what?
there's the wire. See the wire?
Oh, it just gets really hot. That's how the light works.
I guess. I don't know. Sorry, this is very frustrating because like I'm doing so well, so like, I don't want to mess up. Okay, I see how it goes. It goes into like the nose contour. Okay, honestly, screw you. I can't see. We're gonna start over here. Okay, so I accidentally forgot to record me putting on highlighter, but I put on Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and now I'm gonna put on the Nikki Tutorials X Ofra Everglow. Just I'm gonna put on the white shade because I think that is such a beautiful highlight. So.
Nikki Tutorials what?
Ofra.
X.
X Ofra. Yeah. I'm a douche water. Colin, I need you here.
You're trying to keep a good public image.
No, I'll keep my douche water in there.
No, you're trying to keep a good public image because you're
I'll
like,
get demonetized.
no. You were like, Colin, get over here. What? Instead of screaming at me, you said, Colin, get over here.
Oh wow, your lips look good. I never underlined the bottom lips though because I can't. To me that looks awful. You look good. You like it? Yay! I'm so glad you like it. I want you to wear this like look to like one of the shows.
Probably will. We just can't take this long. We'd have to
Well,
start getting ready at like 2.
No, you're gonna
2
have to
a.m.
come early, sir.
We'd have to start getting ready at 2 a.m. for a 10 p.m. show. Still tastes candy.
What?
It still tastes like candy.
Yeah, it's supposed to. It's Anastasia. Oh my god, and we have Miss Veronica Fox.
Hey guys! Oh my god, Kanin did such a good job of makeup. I want to be a whole other person.
I think you look hot.
I just need to steam her out.
I think you look hot. She looks like a whole new bitch.
I kind of do.
You have the boob shot. Hi. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this video and if you like Miss Veronica right over here, make sure to go follow her on Instagram. She's a great drag queen around Lafayette, Indiana, if you want to come out and see her. I'll also leave my socials down below if you totally want to see the Instagram post that I'm going to post of her. She's going to look super good on my Instagram. She's going to be the first ever babe on my Instagram that I've ever posted. So, super cute.
The X is for naughty, by the way. Naughty. Did a Pornhub shoot earlier, so that's good.
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I love you guys so much. And see you later. Bye.